Hey everyone! In this SmartBi video, let us explain the key benefits of properly naming your advertising campaign. As a manager or marketing expert in your organization, you're well aware of how important advertising is to promote your product and services. If you're watching this video, chances are you invest a lot of time and resources to create effective ad campaigns to achieve your business goals. However, there's a part that often gets overlooked but is essential in making your campaigns perform better, and that's how you name them. You might think that the name of your Facebook ad, if we take that platform as an example, doesn't impact their performance. You probably think that the general public doesn't even see these names. Well, you're wrong. Let me explain. First of all, creating a clear and organized naming convention for your ad campaign is a total win. It helps you better understand their performance and makes managing them a breeze. Often, I see ad names such as Boost Google Keywords, Brand Photography $20 a day, or even Conversion Design Current Customers. Come on, put yourself in the shoes of someone who's just tracking the performance of your ad without creating them. Would they really understand? It lacks detail and doesn't clearly explain the specific characteristic of each of your ads. Basically, it makes it difficult to compare and analyze the results for ads named like that. So if you're wondering, how should I name my ads? Well, each ad names should include specific information to clearly distinguish each campaign. Here are the top 5 priorities. 1. The campaign type. 2. The targeting. 3. The language. 4. The geographical area. 5. The format of your content. And if you want to be very precise, you can identify the campaign objective, the theme, the brand, the client name, the date, the market, and so on. Just make sure you standardize your naming convention. By using a clear and consistent naming convention, you'll easily compare results based on criteria you're interested in. And remember, it depends on your communication channel. If you're advertising on Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, and so on, certain details are more important than others. Here are a few examples of good naming conventions. For example, if you're advertising on Google, search, product, Europe, French. Display, summer, trade show, Canada, English. YouTube, brand awareness, 25 to 34 years old, English. The ultimate goal is a well-organized set of campaigns linked with structured UTM parameters. UTM? What's that? This is what you include in your URLs of destination to track your clicks and follow which campaign you can attribute the success of your conversion to. But you know what? We'll save that for another video. And finally, you also need well-instrumented BI dashboards. This will help you analyze and optimize your ad campaigns better. All of this in one place with automatically cross-referenced data. So, let's recap the key benefits of properly naming your advertising campaigns. 1. Simplify analysis. Clear and structured ad names allow for quick filtering and grouping of your ad campaigns to better understand their performance. 2. Offer efficient optimization. A well-designed naming convention facilitates identifying optimization opportunities and helps you make more informed decisions. 3. Provide consistent reporting. Uniform campaign names will allow you to build consistent dashboards that will help you communicate effectively with your team. 4. Simplified management. If you work with a team or hire external experts, a clear naming convention will help your campaigns easily understandable for everyone. In short, a well-named campaign is a valuable asset for your advertising success. If you enjoyed that video, feel free to like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you soon!